My name's Anna, and I found Altitude Health by just kind of scrolling around ketamine clinics, and the name stood out to me, so it was the first one I kind of called. I have struggled for years with major depression, anxiety, and lots of PTSD. I have tried multiple medications. I've been on Klonopin for about 7 years now, which we all know is not a long-term solution, so I was feeling kind of uncomfortable about that. Multiple antidepressants, none of which really worked, gave me more side effects than any relief. Even when I was a kid, I was taking Ritalin and doing therapy and stuff that I didn't want to do because my mom was making me do it. So it was a little different there, but for life, I've struggled with those things and been through multiple medications that didn't do anything. Well, at first I felt a little nervous, of course. I feel like it's really important to set an intention for each session, and it never felt uncomfortable. Like, I always felt cozy, safe. I felt like I could kind of take my time waking up. I definitely noticed a difference right after the first infusion. I left here feeling great and hopeful. If I could go into detail just a little bit, I feel like I've kind of been searching for maybe some approval. And the first one, my grandma kind of came to me, and I felt like I was sitting at her kitchen table and she was like rubbing my back, telling me I was gonna be okay. It's not really a visual, but it's a feeling and more your imagination than anything. I kind of feel like a cloud's been lifted. I feel more focused, like I have an end game. I can actually get out of bed and do like daily chores and clean myself and my surroundings now. The staff at Altitude Health is amazing. First person I encountered was Janie, and I think we talked on the phone for probably 3 times because I was super nervous and didn't really know what to expect. I hadn't done a lot of research yet until after I talked to her a couple times. She invited me in to, check it out and see if it's something that I wanted to do or something that Amanda would even suggest for me. Really caring and compassionate and listened. And then Lisa, oh my gosh, nothing but a smile ever. She always made me feel super comfortable and like I was in a safe space, which to me was really the most important thing. I've had a lot of like PTSD towards doctors sometimes, so it's hard for me to go somewhere new. Amanda, she was just really kind and listened to me. Everything in here is just cozy, it's safe, everybody's nice. I get a hug from Amanda after every treatment. I get to tell her what happened and all the things, and she's just very receptive to everything. She has good advice. In my first session with Amanda, she said to me, I can hit the reset button, but whatever you do after that is up to you. And my biggest piece of advice out of this whole thing would be, you have to be ready to do the work on yourself. You have to be.